negative integers. Negative integers just means negative whole numbers. Now let's learn how to express negative integers like that, such as -5, -17, -31 in different moduli. Solution. To express any negative integer in different moduli, what we have to do is express that specific number as a sum of the next multiple of the mode plus a positive integer. Let's look at the first example, -5. We have to express this -5 in mode 3. Now the first thing we have to do is look for the next multiple of 3 after 5. The next multiple of 3 after 5 is 6. So we'll say -6. Now what can I add to -6 to give me back my -5? That's +1. -6 plus 1 will give us -5. And this is the same thing as having -2 times 3 plus 1. So here is the remainder that we need. This +1 is the remainder that we need. So that means -5 is equivalent to -1 is equivalent to 1 in mode 3, the remainder. Another example is -17. And here we have to express it in mode 5. Now what we have to do is, what multiple of 5 comes after 17? That's 20. So we'll say -20. Now what can I add to -20 to give me back my -17? That's a +3. And this is the same thing as having -20 can be expressed as -4 times 5. Then we have the +3. And our remainder here becomes this positive integer that we have here. That is -17 will be equivalent to 3 in mode 5. The third example, -31. What is the multiple of 7 after 31? That's 35. So -31 can be expressed as -35. Now what can we add to -35 to give us back our -31? That's +4, which is the same thing as having -5 times 7 plus 4. So here, that means -31 would be equivalent to the positive integer that we have there, 4 in mode 7. And that's how to express negative integers in different moduli. Thank you.